So step one, we found a similarity, positive 5y, negative 5y. One thing that I didn't write down here, but you need to make sure you know, when I say similarity, it has to be the same variable. It can't be positive 5y here and negative 5x here. They have to be the same variable. So they both have 5y. Question? Okay. So now that we have found a coefficient that is similar or it matches, we're going to go ahead and eliminate by adding or subtracting both equations. And here's what this looks like. I'm going to draw a line underneath this. This is like the adding and subtracting you learned in 2nd and 3rd grade, where you added and subtracted in columns to do 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. Same process here. But you have to ask yourself this question. It says here add or subtract, so stop and think about it. If I do 5y plus negative 5y, is that going to give me 0? Or is 5y minus negative 5y going to give me 0? I need something that's going to cancel completely. It's going to make 0. So should I add them? This plus this makes 0? Or subtract them? This minus this makes 0. Dylan? I have to add them. So please pay close attention to what this does. I'm going to put a big old plus sign in front of everything. And I'm going to add these in columns. I'm going to add the x's, I'm going to add the y's, I'm going to add the constants. Please make sure that you understand that each column is an addition problem. So what is 2x plus 6x? Great. What is 5y plus negative 5y? 0, it's gone. So I'm just going to cross them out. Don't forget your equal sign. I have 17 plus negative 9 here. That'd be a positive 8. Let's write this in a simpler way so it doesn't look so busy. I have now created the equation 8x equals 8. We should all be able to solve this equation by dividing by 8 so that we now know that x equals 1. Now that I know that x equals 1, just like we did in substitution method, the rest is the same. Now that I know that x equals 1, I can plug it back into either one of these equations. It does not matter which one. I'm going to go ahead and plug it into the first equation. So it's going to say 2, and instead of x, I'm plugging in a 1, plus 5y equals 17. So 2 plus 5y equals 17. Subtract the 2. 5y equals 15. Divide by 5. Y equals 3. I have my two numbers. So my final answer, x comma y, 1 comma 3.